All right, we're here at our new, giving you guys an update on where we're at. Again, this house was pink, it's completely gray and white. We had tuck pointing done, all of the painting done, window trim restored, everything like that. So we're using this again. So I'm gonna take you guys through and show you some of the updates that the contractors did. So come on, let's take a look. The driveway completely paved and asphalted. Tuck pointing looks really, really good. All right, so this is going to be the staff offices, or the staff office. We boxed in the concrete here, got nice high ceilings. This was a garage, it's insulated, has heating in it right now, so we're gonna have staff office desk, staff, probably had 3 to maybe 4 staff desks in this area. Real quick, nothing really done to this area yet. It's just gonna be the staff bathroom. We'll clean it up. Kitchen. We're gonna start putting the appliances in. Normally we would change out these cabinets. These are older cabinets, very, very durable, because some of our kids that we work with have, some issues, and we just want to make sure it's high quality stuff in the house. So this will be the kitchen area. Eating kitchen. All right, they took care of that up there. All right, great. Come on. Hola! They must be going to lunch. All right, 1 bathroom done. Just gotta put the shower rod and everything up on there. Original flooring. This flooring here is very, very expensive. As you can see, the knots and everything like that, very expensive. We got the security cameras and everything going in. Everything is being, again, completely redone. So we just want to go through real quick. Okay, good, you guys got the flooring done. This looks much better than doing carpet here.
Good name.
Yeah. Okay, we got the nice high baseboards. Okay, good, guys. You guys got enough. Again, this was 1 big room. We sectioned it off, made it 2 rooms because we want to try and maximize the level of care and the number of kids that we can help in this house. So that's our whole focus. So this is 1 bedroom. The other bedroom, again, this was all open. We closed it off, added a closet, everything like that. So that's looking good. This room here is going to be our security room. All of the security equipment will be in here as far as the cameras, everything like that. All right, so speeding up, almost done. Another bedroom, we'll get 2 kids in here. We'll get 2 kids in here. We'll get 2 kids in there, so that's 6 so far. Bathroom is being finished here. Double vanities, double showers, and then water closet for the toilet. And here we'll be changing out those light fixtures. Here's another bedroom. We'll be getting 2 kids in here, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8. And then in here, we'll get 4 in this room. Okay, so we'll have anywhere from 10 to 12 kids in this house, including 24/7 round the clock staff. So this is number 4, and we have more that we're gonna be doing. So just wanted to show you guys that you can do socially good and still make a profit, you know, with real estate and helping people and helping their lives. So Marcus Maloney, this is a part of Gardner Prairie Youth Center. Again, this is our 3rd generation in doing this, so we got more to come.